This video I'm going to teach you how to count numbers from 1 to 10 in Ogoni language. So in today's video is going to be a different thing from what I've taught you before. I'm going to give you the spelling of the numbers in pure Ogoni kind of language, and I'm also going to write it in English for you. So if this is your first time on my channel, please do to like, share and subscribe. My name is Peter Nganani. We are going to do numbers in Kana language. Numbers in Kana language. So in Ogoni we have numbers from 1 to 10 even to 100. So but in today's video I'm going to count from number 1 to 10 and the spelling in Kana and also in English. So we have 1 which is zin. We have 2 which is by. We have 3 which is ta. This is the spelling of ta. There's an hyphen on it, ta. If you remove this hyphen, it will be ta, which does not mean the same thing. So this is ta, which is 3 things. Ta means 3 things. We have here 4 which is near. This is the spelling of near. Put an hyphen on it, near. That's to draw it down, near. We have here 5 which is o. You draw it up when pronouncing it, o. Then we have here 6 which is spell and pronounced as ni. That is the spelling of 6 and the pronunciation. Then we have here 7 which is eleba. It is pronounced as eleba. This is the spelling of eleba. Eleba. We have 8 which is 8 which is pronounced as ereta. So here this is the spelling and pronunciation of ereta. This is the spelling of ereta. We have 9 which is pronounced as erenia. Then we have 10 which is pronounced in Ogoni as loop. This is the spelling of loop. There's an hyphen on this o. You draw it up, loop. So let's start from the number 1. 1 is called zin. Zin is spelled as Z-double-I, zin. 2 which is pronounced as by in Ogoni language is spelled as B-A-E, by. Ta. Here we have 3 which is called ta. It's pronounced as ta in Ogoni. T-double-A. There's an hyphen on the A. To make it ta. We have near which is 4. It's spelled as N-I-A. There's an hyphen on the A. We have 5 which is pronounced as O-O. as OO. There's an hyphen on the O. O dash double O hyphen on it. Then we have 6, which is ini. Ini ini. That is 6. We have here 7, which is pronounced as ereba in Ogoni language, pure Kana language. Then here we have ereta, which is 8. 8 is called ereta, it's pronounced as ereta. This is spelling of ereta in Ogoni language, Kana language. ERETAA is ereta. Here we have erenia, which is 9. Erenia is spelled as ERENIA. That's erenia, which is 9. We have the last on the board, which is 10. It's pronounced as loop in Ogoni language, Kana to be precise. Loop is spelled as LOP. There's an hyphen on the O. To make it loop. So let's go further more than this. So if you are to count 1, 2, 3 from 1 to 10, this is what you do. 1, which is 1, is called zin. 2 by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is zin by ta nia o iniki eleba eleta elenia loop. So let's reconfigure this into money counting. So here, if I ask to bring let's say bring 1 apple, in Ogoni you can say suzinka apple or suzibe apple no. For instance, you can say bring zinbe ball, which is bring 1 ball for me, bring 1 granite for me. Suzinka granite in Ogoni is called a winkere. So you can say bring suzinka a winkere mema, that's bring 1 granite. Likewise to 2 is buy. So if you want to say bring something for me, bring 2 things, bring 2 items for me, in Ogoni you can say, for instance, subaka laptop mema. So here you can say 1, which is zin. Bring 2, you can say bring 2 apple for me. 2 subaka laptop. Nua. So this is it. Bring suzinka, not baka. Suzinka laptop mema. So sunua. Then here subaka laptop top nua. Here this 3. So 3 is taka. So sutaka. Laptop nua. Then here is 4. So it will still be the same thing as niaka. because it is 4. So near ka, laptop, nua. So this is just a simple way of using this one number 1, 2, 3, 4. So for instance, now you want to say bring something for me, and that thing is just one, just single, suzinka. If it is 2, you call it subaika. If it is 2, subaika. If it is 3, sutaka. If it is 4, suniaka. If it is 5, it is su ooka. If it is 6, it is su ini ka. If it is 7, su elebaka, ele su ere baka. If it is 8, it is the same thing as su eretaka, eretaka. If it is 9, su nia ka. If it is 10, suluka, ka. So this is just a simple way to use numbers in Ogoni. If it is one thing, like for instance, you wanted to bring one item for you, suzinka, or you are telling somebody to collect one, you tell the person suzinka. If it is 2, subaika. If it is 3, sutaka. If it is 4, suniaka. If it is 5, suooka. If you are giving somebody 6 items, suiniika. You are asking somebody to collect 7 items, is su erebaka, su eretaka, and su ereniaka, which is collect 9. Then suluka, which is to collect 10. So this is the spelling of 1 to 10 in pure Ogoni Kana language, to be specific. This is zin, by, ta, 3, 4, near, 5, 6, ini, 7, eleba, 8, ereta, 9, erenia, and 10, look. So if there's anything you don't understand on the board and you need further explanation, you can drop it in the comment section. This will be the end of today's video. Once more, my name is Peter Weganali, your host today. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe. It is my own little way of contributing to promoting the Ogoni culture. Thank you so much.